Welcome. In front of me is an AMAZFIT Balance 2, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. So let's just get straight into this. Oh, I actually have pull tabs, so I don't need a knife. There we go. Stay here. Trying to get defocused. There we go. So both of these watch straps are, by the feel of it, just made out of silicone. Let's see how hard it is to actually pull them out. Come on. Come on. Jeez. There we go. Ooh, okay. Now the reason I clipped it is because I didn't want to like pull it through, as this was just going to rip through the box, and I am well, that almost ripped through the box. And I think I have to like kind of squeeze it through here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out one of them as they look to be identical, and I'm gonna plop it on. So usually what, the long one goes at the bottom. There we go, that's one. And that's two. Okay, so here's our watch. It's a massive watch, to be honest. We have a scrollable crown, wheel, whatever you want to call it, with haptic feedback behind it, though the haptic feedback, come on, it's okay. It's not the best I felt, but it's still pretty decent. The device also seems to be snappy. When scrolling through it, you can see it's doing it pretty fast, though like just skipping or lagging out, so that's pretty good. It's a massive display, like holy crap, what is the actual size of this? Let's see. So we are looking at, well, I'm looking at wrong information. Yeah, so we have a 480 by 480 1.5 inch AMOLED display right here. I want to kind of point it out. This is a Galaxy Watch, what is it, 6? 7? I think it's 6. So this is the 40mm one, and just kind of like a comparison, just how ridiculously small this seems compared to this chunkers. So yeah, if I move it to the amazing part of my wrist, the one that has basically no meat, looks like I have a wall clock on my wrist right now. So yeah, I can see it's absolutely dwarfing this one. So yeah, it's a pretty big watch. It's also running a Zepp OS on here, so no Android OS, therefore also no applications and all that stuff you might expect from Android OS watches, unfortunately, if you were looking for such a thing. But this is designed for workout, so it should obviously succeed in that one. And it also comes with NFC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi built in. Now, I'm not gonna really go into this, all that like workout modes and how well it tracks. From what I've seen previously, for the most part, Apple watches and Huawei watches are at the very tippy top of how accurately they track workouts and stuff like that. So I'm not really gonna go into this, how well it compares to that. I don't have any kind of tools to even, accurately measure this. But what I do have is the price. And this device costs about $600 US, and at that price it does compare or compete with other things like the like I said, the Apple watches and also the Huawei watches. Huawei watches you can use with, I believe, Android, though you do need to go to like website to download the application to use them, not from the Play Store, while the Apple watches are just Apple compatible, so you need iPhone for those. But both of them will most likely get you better tracking data for everything compared to this one. So just putting that out there for people that really want a reliable tracking. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.